How's it going, guys? Thanks to Crypto here, and today we are doing a video analysis on Bitcoin and its pricing and all that good stuff. As you guys see, we have hit a milestone, $8,000 per Bitcoin. Guys, literally just 4 months ago, 3 months ago, or whatever, it was what, around 4,000 or so. You know, it was way less than this. And look at the kind of growth that Bitcoin had. I said in past videos, I said Bitcoin's gonna hit 10, 20, 30K and more, potentially even up to 100K, right? I said that. Well, one of the first predictions of what I said, saying that it's gonna be at 10K, is happening soon. Just 2K left, guys. And honestly, with how things are going right now with Bitcoin, it might even reach 10K before this year. Now that is awesome growth. By the way, look at where it stopped, guys. At least look at when I'm recording the video. 8,000.01. That's practically right at 8,000. That is awesome. But as you can see, in one day is $185 growth, 2.37%. As you guys know, in the crypto space, crypto market, you will never see gains like this in stocks. At least you'll barely see it. If you do see gains that are not specifically 2.37, but like 20%, 30%, like how crypto is on a daily basis, if you see gains like that, well, it's gonna be in the news, it's gonna be in the headlines, it's gonna be everywhere. But look at this, guys. 1 hour dropped by about 0.25%, which is not much at all. But in the day, it was 2.37%. In a week, it was 27.37% gains. Let's say you're holding Bitcoin, right? And the amount of Bitcoin that you're holding, let's compare it to like profits of BitConnect, right? Because as you guys know, BitConnect is one of the main things that give me passive income. So right over here, 27.37. So 27.37%. And I'm gonna want to divide that by 7 days of the week, right? So that means for 7 days, we were getting a payout of 3.91% daily, just holding Bitcoin. Just holding Bitcoin, guys. So yes, you know, BitConnect is an amazing platform and all that stuff, but there are other ways in the crypto market to make a very good, stable, awesome income. And literally one of the ways is just holding Bitcoin. That's literally one awesome way to make a serious income. Just holding Bitcoin, and holding a lot, obviously, if you want a very stable, strong amount of passive income. But let's look at it in a month. In a month, it was 33.81%. In a year, it was 973.69%. In a year. If we want to put that into perspective of per day, 973.69 divided by 365 days. Every day for a year, it's like we're getting a payout of 2.66% daily, which is amazing. That's just literally just holding Bitcoin, guys. That's all you would have to do. But very awesome, guys. I think this is a great milestone to be talking about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is gonna grow, guys. It's just gonna grow. It's just gonna continue growing, and I want you guys to make sure you are ready for the crazy growth that Bitcoin is gonna be coming through very soon. Very soon. Out of all the news and everything that's been going on with Bitcoin, Bitcoin will be growing exponentially. And if it starts getting into other markets and stuff like that, actually, I had a conversation yesterday in a party that I went to with one of the workers in like an aviator company or something like that, and they said they're gonna be accepting Bitcoin, an aviation company accepting Bitcoin, and that's been happening a lot. By the way, I live in Florida, so you know, it's awesome. It's awesome to see, you know, growth and companies adopting Bitcoin and stuff. And the more companies adopting Bitcoin, the more people are gonna want to use Bitcoin. And everybody knows that Bitcoin is the go-to as far as a better currency compared to the majority of the fiat currencies that are government controlled and all that bad stuff. Really quickly, guys, I want to look at CoinMarketCap. As we know, this is an awesome way to look at all the other altcoins compared to Bitcoin. So here it says 7983, but as we know in Coinbase it says 8,000. So we could just say around there, whatever. Ethereum 358. Bitcoin Cash is going down now, but it actually went a little higher up again because it went from 900 to what it is right now. So that's pretty interesting. What's most interesting to me is that it's been able to keep over 1,000 ever since that growth. You know, it even went up to 2,000 or whatever. But look at the volume for 24 hours. It's a lot, guys. It's more than Ethereum. How is it getting that much volume? Well, there's not much adoption with Bitcoin Cash. So it's very interesting to see 1.3 billion with Bitcoin Cash. It might literally be people just selling out of it. You know what I mean? So that's interesting to see. I know Dash did a very big growth for a moment, and now it's kind of crippling down again. But it's good to see Dash trying to get back into the game a little more. NEM, one of the coins that I love to follow. On my website, it shows the top 3 cryptocurrencies that I follow, and NEM is one of them. Let's just go to my website real quick. Right here, genesis.crypto.com. Link in the description. A lot of resources, all that good stuff. Anyways, right here, NEM/ZEM. One of the top 3 cryptocurrencies I'm currently watching right now, right? But NEM 10th place, Zcash little bit down, but it's been stable for the majority for as of recently. BitConnect has been decreasing, weirdly enough, because now Bitcoin that it's reached 8,000. BitConnect has been higher than 291. It's been up to 300 before, so it's very interesting to see BitConnect not reaching over 300 when Bitcoin reached over 8,000. So that's pretty interesting. Let's look at it real quick right over here. So yeah, let me see. Let's look at it in a 7-day period. And yeah, like I said, there's been times where it reached over, like at 300. It doesn't really show much here. But yeah, guys, and look at this drop right here. That's crazy. And then it went right back up. You know, that's the beauty of cryptocurrency, guys. Oh, here it is. Here's where it hit around 300. This moment right here. You see that? So that's awesome. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much what's going on right now. Bitcoin has such a strong future, and everybody and anybody that gets into Bitcoin right now, anybody that gets into the companies of Bitcoin, at least the trusty ones, right? I have in the description below the ones that I use myself. But anybody that gets into anything related to cryptocurrency will make a good amount of money. I do not work at my part-time job anymore. This is my job now, guys. And it's so much better to not get your ass up in the morning and going to work at a place you don't want to work, when you literally could wake up, check your investments, trade if you want to, and look at the companies that you're investing in and reinvest and trade. Like that's a beautiful life right there. And obviously, if you can continue reinvesting for months and months and months, and you make yourself a very nice stable income, you could start traveling right there and then. One of the biggest dreams that people have is to travel the world. It's possible. It really is. As a matter of fact, I want to take a trip to Ukraine, which I've never been overseas, so that's going to be very interesting. And I'm going to be doing that around December. At least I'm planning to do it around December. Let's see how everything goes. But I would have not been able to do that working at my part-time job. I would need to wait for vacation hours. I would need to save up a hell of a lot of money that I never would have able to have. You know, I have way more. I probably make triple, quadruple than what I made working in my part-time job. So yeah, guys, that's enough about me. Bitcoin's awesome. 8,000. Let's keep seeing some more milestones in this beautiful crypto space. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do daily cryptocurrency videos, so make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Take care.